It's going to be a quick video, just filming myself disassembling this Kizer Cormorant, I believe, or Cormorant. I don't know, it's named after a bird. Really nice knife. I really like it. So let's see what the inside looks like. Look, it's the fingerprints from the guy who assembled it. So that's the disassembled mess of this knife. Don't take this video as a how-to take it apart, because I'm sure I did that wrong. I just needed to get it apart quickly to use these scales to recreate in CAD so I can make my own scales. One thing is, I bought this little bit set a long time ago. I hate it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below of the tool set that I recommend. So I'll catch you on the next one.